Hello, friends. Welcome to my live session today. I won't be spending much time today. I would just like to enlighten us on certain policies that business organizations include in their transactions, especially with consumers. So, anyone who has joined should just say hello. If you have joined this live, just say hello. Once we are up to 10, I would just commence. Once we are up to 10, I'll commence because I won't be spending much time today here. I'll be staying long here today. So once we are up to 10, I had a recent issue on this no refund policy principle, and I would like to address it in relation to what the law says about it. So I want to enlighten my subscribers, my lovely subscribers, about this principle and the legal implications of having these principles included in your business. I think I can see one person. Okay, if we are up to 10, I would commence. I just need minimum of 10 people to start. Others can join us along the line. No refund policy. No refund policy. Minimum of 10 people, while others join as we progress. So if you are in here with us, if you've joined this live, just say hello. Who are those that have joined this live broadcasts? Hello? If you've joined the live broadcasts, just say hello and then we'll commence. Hello, Karan Gupta. Welcome to my live. Hello, Chief. Welcome. Karan, you're the first person. I'm good. How are you? Welcome to my live session today. We have an interesting topic to discuss today that will benefit every single person that will be joining this live. So go call your friends. I'm a lawyer. I'm a legal practitioner, and I'm licensed to practice in Nigeria for now. I'm making effort to get licensed in some other countries. I really don't know how to speak Brazil, sorry. But I would like to send my love and regards to my friends in Brazil. Yes, please. Thank you, Gupta. So what country are you joining us from? We're going to be discussing about the legal implications of no refund policy. No refund policy. So I'd like to know the country you are joining us from, because I'm sure Clement, welcome. Thank you so much for joining this live. I'm sure that this policy runs in different countries. But its applicability, it's now jurisdictional based. So I'd like to know the country that you're joining us from. Gupta was the first person. What country? Oh, India. Oh God, thank you so much for joining my live, and send my love to my friends. I have lots of friends in India that have subscribed to this channel. I'm very supportive. Please, Clement, South Sudan, thank you so much for making out time to join this live. Thank you so much. You would learn a lot. Thank you so much for joining this live. Chief is from Brazil. Okay, thank you so much, Chief, for joining this live. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So we're going to be discussing about the no refund. Hello, Sonny. Thank you. Welcome to my live. How are you doing today? I hope you're having a good day already. I hope you're having a good day. Speed, welcome. Thank you so much for joining this live session. Thank you all so much. Oh, Karen, I hope you've subscribed to this channel, Karen. Kindly subscribe before you leave. Thank you so much for finding out time to join. I see myself fulfilling my dreams and licensed to practice in not less than 5 countries, not less than 5 countries of the world. Licensed to practice law in not less than 5 countries of the world. And I see myself defending people and helping, especially the indigent in the society. Speed, are you in Nigeria? To go, welcome. Welcome. God bless you. You said you tried to be a part of what? Okay, so today we're going to be discussing the legal implications of no refund policy. Now, what is no refund policy? No refund policy is a policy that is being included in a business transaction or by organizations to say when payments or to say that when customers or consumers make payment, they are not entitled to any form of refund for the monies that they have spent over that particular transaction. So that is the no refund policy. And most times when we buy both online and offline, on site, we'll find out that there's always a tiny clause, exclusion clause, that says after payment is made, you are not entitled to a refund of the money you have paid. You know, that clause is called no refund policy. I'm sure that even in India, in other countries, in the US, I'm sure that you would have seen that in your transaction. Yes, I'm a legal practitioner. I've been practicing for over 10 years now. Yes, I'm licensed to practice law for now in Nigeria. I'm a legal practitioner. Happy New Year, Make. Make, I guess you are French. Happy New Year. Bonjour. Comment ça va? J'espère que tu vas bien. Johaida. So today we are talking about no refund policy. Maybe some other time we'll talk about the LGBTQ. But we're talking about no refund policy. Maki, okay, you're from the US. God bless you. So I'm sure you would have heard about the no refund policy in some of the transactions that you would have gotten yourself involved in the US. This policy applies to most of the consumer transactions. So I just want to tell us, there are certain, it's not totally bad in itself, but where it now begins to rob the consumer of his inherent rights, then it becomes bad and becomes unlawful, and that consumer now has a right to ask for a redress in court. Somebody asked a question if no refund policy is bad. And I'm answering your question now. It's not totally bad in itself. However, when it begins to rob a consumer of his rights with respect to that transaction, then it becomes unlawful. And that consumer has every right of redress in court. Johaida, welcome to my life. God bless you. Thank you so much for joining. So no refund policy. I'm going to paint a simple scenario now of a transaction that took place, and somehow we had the opportunity to defend one of the parties, where someone went and bought bus ticket to travel, and unfortunately that particular transport company wasted his time. No, I'm not a police officer. I'm a legal practitioner. I'm a lawyer. Yes, we are talking about no refund policy. So that particular bus company wasted his time, and he had to go to another branch of the same company to buy the ticket and boarded the bus to his destination. And then after that, he asked for a refund of the first payment that he made. Unfortunately, the bus company said that they have a no refund policy and showed him on the ticket where the no refund policy is, and that he's not entitled to that refund. The man approached us and we went to court. We went and we asked for three things. Number one, we asked the court to set aside that policy that says that our client is not entitled to his refund. Secondly, we also asked the court for special damages of the sum of 500 naira he spent for the transportation to his destination. And then we finally asked for general damages for the losses and distress he has gone through, the general damages of 3 million naira for the losses and distress he has gone through in the course of trying to recover his money. And the court now ruled in our favor to say that that policy in itself contravenes section, I think section 120, section 120, let me see. So it contravenes section 120 of the Federal Competition and Consumer Protection Act 2018, which says that a customer has the right to cancel any advance booking, reservation, or order for goods and services, and the cancellation may be subject to a reasonable cancellation charge. Can you now see? So not that they told him that, see, we will give you something. They told him that they won't give him anything at all from that money, which was quite challenging. So the court now held, setting aside that policy, and says that it is unlawful. It is unlawful. And then the court went further to grant his special damages of a refund of that 500 naira and general damages of 500,000 naira. So that was how this principle was applied. And this scenario happened in Nigeria. I wouldn't know how it applies in your various countries, but I'm sure that in your various countries, the no refund policy will not just have a general rule, it will also have exceptions to it in such a way that the right to consumers in the course of its application is not abridged, that the rights of the consumers are not breached. Yes. So for those of us, Marke, in the US, what have you heard of the no refund policy in the US and how does it apply? So if you have a business, if you're here and you have a business or you're running a business and you have the no refund policy, probably because of certain experiences you've had, people coming to ask for refund for frivolous purposes, I want you to apply this principle. You have to apply it reasonably in such a way that it does not infringe on the rights of your customers or your clients or the end users, the consumers, in the long run. So I don't know so far if anybody has a question concerning this principle, no refund policy, or maybe you've had a personal experience and you want to share with us. I wouldn't mind. IK, welcome to my live. God bless you for joining. Thank you so much. This is where we discuss legal principles and enlighten the general public on different principles of law to make them knowledgeable, so that when they are faced with a situation like what I just discussed now, they will not be stranded. Even if they are not having access to a legal practitioner immediately, they will know the law and apply it judicially and judiciously. So that's the essence of this my channel, and by the special grace of God, I have been using it accordingly. Thank you so much, Top Drawer. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you so much. So, do we have any question? Have you had personal experiences, or someone you know has experienced this no refund policy infringement or harshness in terms of applicability? So I don't know. Are there questions? Please, those who are here, are there questions? I would like to get your questions. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, this is an amazing opportunity for you to subscribe. You can subscribe and like and share this link to everyone that you know would need the information here. It's not even to everyone. Everyone will need it. We need to be acquainted with the laws around us, knowledgeable, because ignorance of the law is not an excuse. Ignorance, if you say you broke any law because you didn't know, that's not an excuse. You will still face the wrath of the law. So there is need for you to get acquainted, to get exposed. There is need for you to get exposed. Laws and scriptures, the name speaks for itself. Poja, we discuss various legal principles. Like today we are talking about no refund policy and how it can be applied legally, judicially and judiciously. So if you want to learn, you can join us. If you want to also contribute, if you're a lawyer, you can join us. Or if you want to be a citizen that is law abiding, then you can join us. This is an amazing place for you. If you know somebody too, if your friends wants to learn too, they can join us. So that is what the channel is about. Aurelia, thank you so much for joining us. God bless you. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. So concerning the no refund policy, are there questions? Beats, I don't understand what you mean, but welcome to my live session. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you, Pooja. Aurelia, thank you so much. So do you have questions, or have you had experiences of no refund policy, infringements as regards no refund policy? Are there things that you want to share with us? We wouldn't mind. We would like to know, and we would like to help you too. If you're currently experiencing any challenges rather, we are pleased to help you. Or if there's any other legal challenge that you're having, if there's any other legal challenge that you're having and you think that we could help, then we are here for you. Just let us know. So like I said earlier, I won't be staying long here. So I'd like us to contribute. Top Drawer, you said you have a question. So what's the question? How would you like us to help? How would you like us to help you, Top Drawer? Top Drawer, what should you do about what? What should you do about what exactly? You've not asked your question. Thank you, Make. God bless you. I appreciate you. Thank you for your compliment. Okay, you would like me to help you, Lance Wadi. What, help you with what exactly? Even if okay, your little sister, I think this is like a family matter. I think you should call her and caution her, and then also caution your friends. Caution your friends to keep up. That's not nice. So call your little sister, caution her, and also caution your friends as well. Okay, so what's the question, Lance Wadi? I don't mind answering it. What's the question? Maki, welcome. Thank you for joining. You can subscribe to the channel as well so that you would always know when we come live. We come live almost every other day. So what's your question? Lance Wadi, right? That's your name. And what country are you joining us from? What's your question and what country? What country are you coming from? Or what country are you joining us from? Oh, Jamaica, nice. Ah, this is my first time of seeing someone from Jamaica join us. Thank you so much. Please send my love to my friends in Jamaica. Thank you. You want to leave the island? Why do you want to leave the island? Superior Green, yes, I'm a Christian. I'm a born-again Christian. Do you have any problem with Christians? Oh, Poja, yes, gold prices rise because of the value of gold. You know, gold is an asset that appreciates, just like fixed assets like lands. So gold prices, of course, will rise, and it's also wise to invest in such assets so that when it rises, it's just like a form of business. So that when it rises, you can always sell and make your money. Okay, so why do you want to leave the island? Oh, nice. Superior Green. Thank you so much. We also talk about scriptures here, and we also admonish ourselves, encourage ourselves too with the word of God. This happens on Sundays, so you can also join us and make your own input. I'm so sorry, Aurelia. What question did you ask that I didn't respond to? I'm sorry, Aurelia. What question did you ask? I'm not sure. I don't know about Muslims or Christian number distribution. So, ah, T-Strike, I look like your mom. I would like to meet her. Please send my love to her. Thank you so much for joining this live. Please subscribe to my channel. Oh. Kindly subscribe and share my link. Marke, that's so good to hear. I'm a born-again Christian, T-Strike. What are you a born-again Christian before we start talking about church? Okay, I'm not in Kenya, I'm in Nigeria. But I'm sure Kenya is a beautiful place. So about no refund policy, please ensure, if you're a business owner, please ensure that your no refund policies are flexible in such a way that they don't infringe on the rights of your customers or your clients or the end users of your goods or services. Ensure that they are not infringing on anybody's rights. And then if you are a consumer and you think that a policy of that nature has actually infringed on your rights, you have every right to seek redress in court. For example, I'm a legal practitioner. Of course, you can approach me if you're in Nigeria and I can help you. Good morning, Life Nature. God bless you and thank you so much for joining my life. Oh, Make, you've never been to Nigeria, so I mean, you can always come around. Nigeria is a nice place with amazing food and culture. Good weather too. Hi, Obed Moss. Hi. Thank you so much for joining this live. So for those who just joined us, we are talking about no refund policy and its legal implications. If you've had any personal experience or you know someone that has had, we would like to hear your experience and how the law has helped you, either from the perspective of being a consumer or from the perspective of being a business owner. let's hear what you have experienced from a no refund policy transaction. Hello, Farah. Are there other questions? Are there other questions? Dinoli, I love you too. Thank you so much for coming around today. Thank you. I appreciate you. Hello, Peter. Thank you so much for joining this live. Oh, Farah, thank you. I appreciate you. Thanks for the compliments. I appreciate you. Hey, Dinoli. Ah, wow, this is nice. 22nd of January. Happy birthday and many happy returns. May God grant your heart desires this new year. And may this year be marked with amazing testimonies for you in Jesus' name. Amen. Superior Green. Probably you may be correct. You may be correct compared to some other advanced countries here. I wouldn't disagree with you on that. Please let's shout out to Dinoli. Today is his birthday. Please let's wish him a happy birthday. Let's all wish him a happy birthday and say good prayers for him, that God will bless this his new year. Farah, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Farah. If I could say so myself, Maki, I could say so myself. So what are your questions on the legal implications? What are your challenges with no refund policies, and how has this teaching today helped you? How has this teaching today helped you? Hello, hello. Yusuf, thank you. Greetings too from Nigeria. Shout out to my friends at Turkey. God bless you all. God bless you all. Yes, please. Farah, I'm a legal practitioner. I'm a lawyer. Is there anything you want me to help you with? Is there any information that you think that I could help? I don't mind helping. Dinoli, let's handle the issue before us today, and that is the legal implications of no refund policy application. Oh, the age of consent in Nigeria is 18 years. That's the age of majority. From 18 years, yes. The person becomes an adult. The person is no longer a minor and has every right of a person of the age of majority. I hope I've answered your question, Superior Green. So what's the age of consent in your country? Your country is India, right? Superior Green, your country is India. What's the age of consent in your country? Now, the best way you can show that you love me is by supporting my channel, sharing my link, supporting me, subscribing and telling your friends about this channel to subscribe and support, joining my live and joining it with your friends. Like now, we just have 4 people, and I'm sure that we can accommodate up to 1,000 people here. Okay, superior green. So what's the age of majority in the USA? Is it 18 years or less? Hey, nice. Yes, mine is common law. Nice, Farah. Your what country, what jurisdiction are you practicing in? What's your area of practice and where do you practice? How long have you been a lawyer, Farah? How long have you been a lawyer? Dinoli, I've told you how to show that you love me. I've told you. Oh, so the age of majority differ from state to state. It's not a universal thing in the US. I was thinking, oh, okay, so people have different laws for different states. So I was thinking that just like Nigeria now, the age of majority is contained in our 1999 constitution and it's applicable to all the states and all the regions, which is 18 years. But with your response, it now means that some states says it's 17, while others say it's 18. Wow, this is quite different from Nigeria. It's quite different from Nigeria. It's quite new anyway. Thank you so much, Superior Green, for your response. So, Superior Green, have you had experiences of no refund policy in the US? Have you gone to buy something and they said that they will not accept a refund, they will not refund you? Have you had that experience before? Maybe you went to buy an item from a shop and you were told that they won't refund no matter what. Yes, you can join now. You can join my life. It's available. Just join and subscribe so that when we come live, you would always see us. Living, thank you so much for joining us. Oh, you've been a lawyer for 6 years. Nice. Me, I've been for over 10 years. Oh, you help the indigent. I do too. I look forward to helping many more, especially those who don't have access to justice. Indonesia, that's lovely to hear. Thank you so much for your good work. I think we share the same passion with respect to legal profession. I think we share the same passion because I did my master's in family law, and ever since I've also been helping women and children. Yes, as to against abuse and proper custody for children. This is beautiful, Farah. Nice. So good to know. Well done. Superior Green, Dino, Superior Green is asking you. Good morning, Elia. Thank you so much for joining this live. Welcome. I hope you've subscribed and you've shared this link to your friends. We should be more than 1,000 here, but we are just 10. It's not encouraging. Dinoli, Superior Green is asking you a question. I think you should scroll and see his question. Obed Mos, welcome for joining. Welcome to this live. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much. Buddha Kaka, welcome, welcome, welcome. So for those who are joining us, we are talking about the legal implications of no refund policy. No refund policy. Legal implications of no refund policy in your country or in your jurisdiction. I'm saying that the number of people that have joined my life is quite small compared to what it should be. And I'm not happy, because we can share this link to our friends so that they can join and enjoy this moment together with all of us. Buddha Kaka, welcome. Hello. Thank you so much for joining this live. Appreciate you. Farah, nice. My pleasure. It's always a pleasure to meet my colleague anywhere, any place. Do you also have a YouTube channel where you also defend the rights of women and children, and also give poor people access to justice? Okay, you joined the legal aid in your country. Oh, nice. So that's, even in Nigeria, we also have the legal aid society that helps the indigent. Yes, nice. Well done. Well done, Farah. That's a good one. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mikala. I appreciate you. What country are you joining us from? Thank you. I appreciate you. I didn't know you could see it from here. Thank you. I appreciate you. So what country are you joining us from? Mikala, what country are you joining us from? What country? What country? Oh, Papa. Papua. I guess I pronounced it well. My first time of hearing this, from New Guinea. Okay, it's an island type of country. That means people will be having serious, beautiful view and very good weather. Yeah? So do you people have a legal system in your country? Are you a lawyer, or do you have lawyers in your country? Have you heard of no refund policy? Have you gone to buy something? Okay, yes, okay. Have you gone to buy something? Oh, nice. Have you gone to buy something, Michaela, and you were told that it's non-refundable? How did you feel? Especially when you got back and it turned out that what you bought was not what you wanted, or the service you paid for, you didn't get it. How did you feel? Have you had that kind of experience, and what steps did you take? You know that that's an infringement on your rights, right? Your rights to ask for a refund, or to ask that either they deliver the service like you paid for it, like it was advertised. So, Mikala, have you had any of such experience of no refund policy in your country? Let's know how you handled it. Okay, you've not heard of no refund policy. Oh, okay. So I told you, like I said earlier. Oh, nice. That means you have a lawyer close to you. So like I said earlier, that A no refund policy is a policy that is usually put in place by either business owners or certain organizations to pre-inform or to ensure that payments made are not refundable. Payment made for either goods or services are not refundable. And sometimes these policies infringe on the rights of consumers or end users. They end up either getting stuck with a bad service or a bad product, and because they've already paid, they cannot ask for a refund. And now there is a law in Nigeria that says that that policy infringes on the right of a consumer if the product is not good. The consumer has a right to ask for a refund irrespective of that policy. And where the company refuses to make that refund, the consumer is entitled to go to court to ask for damages, seek redress in court. That is what this is all about, and that's why I'm trying to sensitize us to use our consumer rights, to exercise our consumer rights, and not allow any organization to infringe on them. This is what I'm just trying to say and do today. Azali, welcome. Thank you so much for joining this live. Welcome. I appreciate you. Much love. I have lots of friends in India. Much love from Nigeria as well. Please send my love to my friends in India. You can also share my link to them so that they will come and join and learn that they have rights with respect to no refund policy, and these rights should always be protected. Yes. So that these are the legal implications. That is for Nigeria here. So I wouldn't know what it is or what happens in your country. Hello, Amadou. Welcome. Yes, there are some basic rights for citizens. Apart from the right of consumers, there are also what they call fundamental human rights. Fundamental human rights that has to do with rights that accrue to you just because you're a human being. These are fundamental rights that you must enjoy and that should be protected just because you're a human being. The one that is chief on the list is the right to life. Everyone deserves to live. Thank you, Azali. So everyone deserves to live irrespective of your status in life or how much money that you have. Someone said here now that he's very rich. So irrespective of the money in your account, everyone deserves to live. Hello, Jerusalem. Jerusalem, once again, thank you so much for joining this live. I remember you. Thank you so much for always coming around to support. So there's also right to freedom of speech, right to association, right to religion. There are so many. Oh, Marcella. Well, in getting the degree, I did it it's a program of 2 parts. The first part took me 5 years. The second part took me a year. So in all, it took 6 years. Yes. I'm from Nigeria. Ask Service, welcome. Thank you so much for joining this live. Thank you so much. No, I'm not. I'm a Christian. A born-again Christian at that. Do you have any problem with Christians? AY? Ask Service, oh, welcome. Thank you so much. Shout out to my friends from Pakistan. Shout out to my friends in the Pakistan. I hope you people are living peacefully there and having a good day. Oh, thank you so much, Makela. You're so encouraging. Thank you. Desire Diallo, welcome once again. Thank you for always coming around. I appreciate you. Do you know that? Do you I wouldn't really say stuff, but I would say, well, it's not a walk in the park anyway. Yes, it could be a bit challenging, but if you plan yourself well and stay focused, you would overcome all the challenges. Thank you so much, Desire. Thank you also for coming around and having me. Thank you, Desire. I appreciate you. Azali, have you Azali, right? Have you subscribed to this channel? Have you shared my link to your friends? These are ways that you show me that you support me. Have you watched my videos? Have you contributed to this discussion today? You see the ways that you can support me so that I will know that you care about me. These are the ways that you show by increasing the number of people here to 1,000. Number of people that have joined this life, then I will know. My name is Nisi Obuna. So how does this information that you are seeking to know affect our topic today, the legal implications of no refund policy? How does it help us overcome the rights infringements as consumers? What's your name, Seth? Alfie. How does it help us? Tabiso Maoba, welcome to my live. Thank you so much for joining. I appreciate you. Okay, what's the question, Mikale? What's your question? Oh, there are lots of courses. So there are different courses from first year, different courses that are law courses and other borrowed courses. Second year to law courses and some other borrowed courses. They teach you some things in psychology. They teach you some things in English. They teach you some things in logic. Then some other law courses, legal system, different law courses. So where we also do substantive law and procedural laws. So when it was time for me to do the procedural laws, it took me 1 year, I think 1 year plus, to understand the procedural laws after learning the substantive laws. So I hope I've answered your question. Yeah. So I'll just take few questions as they come. And if I don't see other responses, then I would call it a day. No, they are not. It's not 5 subjects. So no, there are more than 5. Yeah, they could be up to 20. That's for the first part, and then for the second part we did five courses, 5 quite cumbersome courses. But for the first part we did more than 20 courses, so not just 5. Yes. Afik, you don't have a question now. If you have a question, I would have answered it. Why do you feel sad for me? I've graduated. I graduated a long time ago now. I told you I've been practicing law for over 10 years. So, I mean, I graduated in 2013. I was licensed in 2015. So, don't feel sad for me now. I'm good. So, what's your case? Desire Diallo. What's your case? Afik is the color of your face. Exactly the color of your face. Good morning, Colin. Thank you for joining this live. Welcome. Hope you're having a good day. Okay, returning. What country are you, Desire Diallo? What country? What do you mean by returning? Your question was rude as well. Oh, Alexis, I think America is an amazing country. It's a lovely country. I have lots of friends in America, and they've been really supportive. They've been really supportive. Shout out to my friends in America. I'll always like them to join this life. Me too, son. Just ignore him. Ignore him. He's not worth the time and effort now. Don't you think so? Oh, okay, Desire. That would be nice. You should contact the lawyers there. I'm sure they will help you. Africa, I think Australia is an amazing country with very cold weather. Overall, I have lots of friends in Australia, and they've been really supportive. I think you should send my love to my friends in Australia. I'd love to visit Australia one day. Oh, Barbados. Nice. I've always looked forward to visiting Barbados. I hope I get to visit Barbados one day. Of course, I would not retire and not have a companion. So probably I may not know how to answer that question, because when I retire, I'll have a companion. I will not retire alone. But if that is genuinely your question, then I think I'm not sure that you don't have a single family. You should have at least family like brothers and sisters, and then you go join them so that you get company. Yes, my law firm is there, but I practice in Nigeria, not in Mexico. I'm so sorry. Oh, love you too. My love, send my love to my friends in Chicago. Yes, oh, so sorry. So sorry. Oh, nice, Desire. Afik, is the color of your face now? I thought I've answered this question. So sorry, Desire. Oh. So are there other questions? We are talking about no refund policies, its legal implications and how it affects the rights of consumers. What are the remedies available to consumers when faced with a very harsh rule of no refund policy? So we discussed extensively, and I would like to know how it applies, no refund policy applies in your country. Well, gay rights in Nigeria are unlawful. Gay LGBTQ practice in Nigeria is unlawful. It attracts some criminal charges if you are found guilty, and you'll be sentenced to some years imprisonment. So that law is not applicable in Nigeria. So people that are gay are actually leaving the country because Nigeria does not recognize gay rights or LGBTQ. I hope I've answered that question, Superior Green. So are you gay? Superior Green, are you gay? Our number is dropping. God bless you, Brenda. Of course, Jesus saves. Thank you for joining this live. Good morning, Franklin. Welcome to my live. Thank you for joining. Where are you joining us from? Hello, Godfrey. Welcome to my live. Thank you so much for joining. Franklin, you're from Nigeria. Wow, nice. Nice. I'm also from Nigeria. So, Franklin, we're talking about no refund policy. I'm sure you are aware. You have heard of no refund policy, where probably you want to order something online, or you want to buy something, and there's a clause there that when you pay, your money will not be refunded to you. Probably you now get home and you find out that what you bought is not what you thought it would be, and they will now you now come back and tell them, give me back my money, and they are now telling you that this policy says this. Frankly, when you're faced with that, you can go to court, because that policy infringes on your rights as a consumer. You go to court and ask for a redress. You can even ask not just for special damages of your money. You can ask for general damages for the inconvenience they cost you. So we're talking about the legal implications of no refund policy and what the law says about it in different countries. How is it applicable? How are the rights of consumers protected? I just started, you came late, so I just started doing a recap, and that's when you're asking me what my life is about. I just started talking about the legal implications of no refund policy. That is exactly when you now remembered calling to ask me what my life is about. Are you listening to me at all? Good luck about that. Superior Green, well done. Gagan, welcome. Welcome to my life. I'm from Nigeria. Where are you from? So, Sandra, you think I don't have any information and you are here. You are here not to get information. Are you here to tell me that I don't have any information for you? Or what are you here to do? Sandra. Most of you just don't listen. What you just do is pick up your phone and start typing. Yes, please, Franklin, don't hesitate, because you can even ask in the course of suing them. Probably what you spent was five, like the case I just told the story now. The case I just told them about a client that went to buy bus tickets and the bus people left late. He went to another place, went to another of their office, bought tickets and traveled. When he now asked them for a refund, they now started telling him that they don't refund, blah blah blah. He went to court. That thing he bought him 500 naira ticket. The court gave him 500 naira and awarded 500,000 naira damages for all the stress. The company paid. The court said that that policy was unlawful because it infringed on the right of the man. You people said you're not refunding, but you people did not carry out you did not deliver the service that he paid for. So how do you approbate and reprobate? So in that case, Franklin, you have every right, please. You will not just gain the money you spent, you will gain much more. Colin, thank you. That's actually why I'm here, to enlighten us that as consumers of whether goods or service, we are entitled to certain rights that should not be taken away by the people who are rendering the services or giving the goods, selling the goods. Hello, Cillian Murphy. Thank you for joining this live. Welcome. Scope. Okay, two Milton. I don't know what you mean by, I don't understand your question. Where are you joining from? Guys, please, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe, share my link, watch my videos. Watch my videos, give us a thumbs up. I know. I'm certain that we are doing a good job here. I'm certain that we have given out information that has helped a lot of people. If I do say so myself, I know we're doing a good job. Hello, Ronaldin. Thank you for joining this live. Welcome. I appreciate you. Yeah, oh, that's nice. Thank God. Your country, yeah, what country is that, Superior Guinea? People have very good no refund policy, which is commendable. At least yours protects the rights of consumers. Nice. Thank you for your contribution. This is what I want to be hearing, not love and or whatnot. We have a topic before us. Let's address it. Let's talk about no refund policy first. You subscribe to the channel, you see other videos, you could comment there and now declare your intention. It's just as simple as it is. That's what I'm saying. If the company fails, to refund, go to court. The court will compel them. If they don't obey the court order, the court will seal that company. That company will be closed until they obey the court order. If they fail, just go to court. But in most cases, they don't disobey. You can't disobey court order now. You can't disobey court order. There are ways of enforcing court judgments. One of them could involve sealing the premises of that company. They cannot carry on business until that order is obeyed. Good morning, Chris. Welcome to my live. Yeah, I slept good. How are you? I hope you slept well. Chris Ritchie. We're talking about no refund policy, its legal implications, and how it applies in your country. That's the topic for today, not all these ones you're asking me now. So kindly subscribe to my channel. You see my videos there. You can watch the videos and give us a thumbs up. I'm from Nigeria, Chris Ritchie. I'm from Nigeria. Hi, let's mean. Welcome to my life. Thank you so much for joining us today. How are you? And how's your day going? Hello, Maclean. Welcome to my life. How are you doing today? How are you doing today? Thank you so much, Franklin. I appreciate you. I would come live. I will come live again tomorrow. At just about this time, early hours of the morning, because I'm in Nigeria. Franklin, okay, you said you're in Nigeria too. Okay, so I would come live around 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. tomorrow, the 23rd. Yes. Hi, Zachariah. Welcome. Thank you so much. Franklin, just subscribe. Once you subscribe to this channel now, whenever we come live, you get a notification. Yeah. River State. So it's past 9. It's past 9 a.m. Oh, Franklin, nice. Good to know. Hi, Ikechukwu. Ikechukwu Ugu is Nigerian. You're my Igbo brother. Welcome to my life. Ezekiel. Oh, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you. I really appreciate you. Thank you. This means a lot to me. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have some other interesting videos that will enlighten you as well and expose you to various aspects of the laws in case you you experience a challenge, you will not be stuck. No, I don't know this person. Hi, Ikechukwu. Hi, Ikechukwu. It's good morning from here. Ikechukwu, where are you joining us from? This one you're saying good evening. Where are you joining us from? No, I don't know this person. Skinwalker. I don't know this person. Ezekiel, please don't forget to subscribe. Franklin, don't forget to subscribe. Oh, Yosef. Okay, you're from England. Nice. Pleased to meet you. Welcome to my life. I hope you've learned something today. Ezekiel, thank you so much for supporting me. I appreciate you. I'm from Nigeria. Oh, no wonder. Well, we are trying in Nigeria. We are trying to cope. We're trying to manage, and God is helping us. How is China? I hope they're treating you well there. Colin, this law, this no refund policy is actually applicable in all the countries of the world. It just has different applicability in terms of jurisdiction and laws. Yes. Okay, so why are you sending the guards to arrest me? What have I committed? Oh, nice. Yosef, I hope you find time. It's not far. I hope you find time to visit Nigeria when you're chanced. Okay, good luck with you, with your plans. Oh, Ikechukwu, that's good to know. Charles, good luck with your plans. I wish you all the best. Oh, my favorite Nigerian food is okra soup. Okra soup with semovita. Oh, my night was good, Ikechukwu. People are going to sleep now, so I can't be asking you how your night is. People are going to sleep now. How is business in Emekwa? Oh, you love Nigerian policy on gay? So that means you are not gay because Nigeria prohibits LGBTQ. It's unlawful. Exactly. So, Charles, are you gay? Which people are the strong arm? The LGBTQ people. Oh, Philip, thank you for the compliment. I appreciate you. California, wow. I have lots of friends in California. I hope you send my love to them. Oh, okay. Nice. Thanks for the compliments. Oh, Philip, you love jollof rice. Nigerian jollof. Okay, you're joining us from Ghana. Nice. Ghana is like our brother country. Please send my love to my friends in Ghana. Please send my love. My love to my friends in Ghana. Skift, hello. How are you doing? How are you doing? And where are you joining us from? I said I'm a lawyer. I've said this, and today's topic is the legal implications of no refund policy. How does it apply in your country, Ghana? How does it apply? No refund policy. Do you people have a legal system in Ghana? How does no refund policy apply in your country? Is it strictly applied, or the law protects consumers against the harshness of no refund policy? Charles, good luck with your plans. Ramanji, welcome. I see you. Thank you for joining. Colin, nice. Hello. Thank you, Ramanji. I think that's the only makeup I'm wearing here. The lip gloss. My face is bare from God. Alejandro, I guess you're from Mexico, right? Thank you, Ramanji. So what are no refund policies? What are the legal implications of no refund policies in your country? Philip, Ramanji, how is no refund policy applied in your country? These are the issues we want to resolve. Charles, your country is where? Which one is your country? Is it California? How can you say it's doom? So when you buy something, you cannot refund. You cannot get a refund if it doesn't turn out well. Is that what you're trying to say? Or you don't know the meaning of no refund policy? Let me know where your problem is from so that we'll know how to solve it. Where exactly is your problem from? And how do we help you? Hmm? No refund is a disaster. What do you mean by a disaster? What do you mean by a disaster? So when you buy something in your country, they don't refund your money, or what? How is it a disaster? They don't refund your money. My accent is Nigerian. Thank you so much. That is my Nigerian accent. I cannot trade for anything. Okay, so the purchase you made, when it turned out that is not exactly what you want, you were not allowed to, you were not giving back your money. Let me know. Mexi honey, thank you. Unemployment where now? Alejandro. Unemployment, yeah. I'm speaking Nigerian now. I'm speaking English. Don't you understand English? Okay, so that means no refund applies, is in effect in your country. Is that what you're saying? Are you saying that it applies to your country? Hello, Taki, what's your own name? Taki, have you subscribed to my channel? I'm a legal practitioner. Even though your question is awkward, but let me indulge you. I'm a legal practitioner. Afi. Afizaza. So are there other questions on this topic or any other legal principle? We use Naira. We use Naira. You want to send me some Naira? Superior Green, you said you're very rich. You have a jet. Do you want to send me some Naira? In the SHG. Are there other questions that I can address before I go off? Are there other questions that you will need? I don't mind you sending me dollar. So how do I get it? How do I get the dollars? Have you subscribed? Have you subscribed to my channel? Then you drop a comment and then I will send you my interact. I'll send you my interact. You send the dollars to me. I will come here and tell everybody how much and appreciate you. For now, if you are a rich person, we are not sure until you prove it. The law says he who asserts must prove. So you have to prove your wealth. What you need to send the money is my email, not my you need my email, not my number. I said I'm a Nigerian. I've been saying it here that I'm a Nigerian and I practice in Nigeria. How does being legally in the US concern I'm a Nigerian and I practice in Nigeria? How does it connect? We're talking about Nigeria, talking about being legally in the US. Did I say I'm in the US? Am I where legally? I need an American husband, really? Wow, that's interesting. Who are scammers? Your villagers are scammers, right? I can see. Olapoju Bello, good morning. Wow, Olapoju, so good to see you. So good to meet you. My name is Nisi. And I'm a legal practitioner in Nigeria, practicing in Nigeria. I just repeated myself so that the person that is asking me about US would get answers. Oh, nice. Welcome. So please, so good to meet you. So why do you want my number? Olapoju, have you subscribed to my channel? Have you heard of no refund? Have you heard of no refund policy? And do you know the legal implications of no refund policy? Olapoju, have you bought something or tried to pay for a service and they say you're not entitled to refund of your money after you have paid? What did you do? That policy is called a no refund policy. Some vendors online in Nigeria do it. They will say no refund. Have you had that experience? You're talking about legal issues here. Don't know what you're talking about. Kindly subscribe to my channel first. Then we'll take it up from there. You can comment on one of my videos or 2 or 3 of my videos that you have watched. Ezekiel, why are you asking for my number? I'll start giving out my number when this my life, I have up to 1,000 people join this life. When it's up to 1,000, you just see me dishing out my number now. But if we are not up to 1,000, I'm so sorry. I won't give out my number. That is all I have to say. Thanks be to God. I hope you have a good day too. Thank you so much. Yes. Thank you all so much. I'll be going off very soon. That's if you don't have any other question. If you don't have any other question, Ezekiel, oh, you have subscribed. Oh, thank you so much. So you can comment on one of my videos. Then I can now private chat you, okay? Thank you so much. Sandra, you said I should not leave you, but you've not been saying anything. I've been asking, do you have any question? No. I told you share my link to your friends so that they can join this live. You didn't share. So now that the live is only 6 people that are here, I'm going now. You said I should not go. How are we going to do it? Share this link to your friend. Bring up to 50 people to this live. Then I will stay. I won't go anywhere. I'll be here with you. It's just as simple as that. So, Sandra, can you do that? Are there other questions? Are there other questions? Are there other questions? Are there other questions? Oh, you don't share. You don't want to share my link and you say you love me. So how do I know that you love me now if you don't share this link? Hey, Ezekiel, thank you so much. Ezekiel, don't worry, just comment on one of my videos. I will send you my number, okay? Thank you so much. Hello, Rabbi. Welcome. Are you Hebrew? Rabbi, are you Hebrew? Hello, Katelgo. Welcome. Paul Rivera. Thank you for your compliments. Welcome to this live. I'm a legal practitioner and I've said it severally. I've said it now. Hi, Canary King. Just when I was about leaving, you came in. Canary King, good morning. How are you doing? Been a while. Tell him that you want him to get knowledge, Sandra. I'm from Nigeria. Canary King, how are you doing? So good to see you. My day has been good so far. Avi, I said I'm a legal practitioner, legal, lawyer. Avi, you keep asking repeated questions like you're not listening to me. Don't you listen? Are you having problems with your hearing? I'm good. Anena, how are you? I hope you're good too. Thank you so much, Canary King. I appreciate you. I don't do criminal, I do civil, I do tax, I do family, I do corporate and commercial, I do property. Canary King, you can always go through the life. We talked about a very interesting topic today, no refund policy, its legal implication, and how it is applicable in our different countries. Yeah, it was quite an interesting topic, and I'm sure that everyone that listened, because some people are here and they're not listening, everyone that listened actually benefited. Thank you so much, Alvi. Appreciate you. So guys, please, before I go, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, watch our videos, like, give us a thumbs up, share our links, be supportive to us. We would really appreciate you. And if you have other questions, kindly drop it and we'll respond immediately. I would be leaving in 5 minutes time. I hope you all are having a good day. So, are there questions? Are there questions? Are there questions? Are there questions? So, should I go? Should I end the live? I'm doing my brief now. My clients. I'm responding to my clients today. Do you have something for me? Do you want to engage my services? You pay me some good money, and maybe you may engage my services. Thank you, Aqua. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Aqua. I hope you learned something. Oh, Guinea, Dixon, good morning. One of my friends just told me now that he's from New Guinea too, Papua. I hope you learned something from today's life. You can just go back and I'm sure you will learn something. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you for joining. Thank you for coming around. Titus, thank you. God bless you. Please, if you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Watch our videos. We have a new very short video, but very helpful, especially for those in Nigeria, concerning the new Nigerian Tax Act. Is a new video. I would also do a video on this no refund policy to further buttress my points and to help you understand the rights of a consumer. I'm from Nigeria, Aquamanis. I'm from Nigeria. What about you? Where are you from? England. Okay, okay. Hey, yeah, thank you so much. Aqua, where are you from? What country? Los Angeles. I thought as much. I have lots of American friends, so thank you so much. God bless you. I appreciate you. Tinas, I'm about leaving. You can just go back and you get the topic and how we explained it and pick a few things from there. Apply it in your country, and I'm sure that it will help you. Shout out to my friends in Uganda. I don't hate any of my friends here. I love you all. Sandra, Alexander, all of you. I love you all. You all mean a lot to me. I appreciate you. You're so supportive and you're kind. And this is why even when I feel like giving up, I finally see myself coming back, just because of the support I get from you. Eric, you came late today. We're almost ending this live. How are you today? Good morning from here. Hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing good. Hope you had a good day. You're having a good day. God bless you richly, Eric. I love you all. Lots of love and kisses, hugs from here. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Thank you for always supporting me, for always coming around, showing me love. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to share to your friends so that subsequently our live sessions will be full, like we'll have a lot of people. Don't forget to share to your friends and to your loved ones. Lots of legal principles to learn from. And make sure you have a good day. Don't get into trouble. Try not to get into any form of trouble. Stay safe and be good. Thank you all. God bless you. Bye.